In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy the cryptocurrency Zcash on eToro by using PayPal. I will show you step by step how to create an account, how to deposit money with PayPal, and how to make your first purchase. eToro is available in almost any country. Just to mention a few: North America, Europe, India, and many more countries are able to use the platform. First, we have to create an account on eToro. I have put the link for you in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page here where you come to the cryptocurrencies, and then you can follow all the steps perfectly just as I'm doing it. To create an account, we simply have to enter our data right here on the right, and then we are ready to go. We will get to this page where we have to confirm our email address. This email will look like this, and then we have to press this button. And we come to this page where it tells us that our account has been created, and now we can start. The next thing we have to do is that we have to complete our account information to verify it. To do that, we just have to click on Complete Profile. And then we can see we just need to complete the information of our profile, so I will just click on Continue and do so. I will fast forward over this step. We simply have to enter our name, our address, and our experience we already have with trading. Just a few standard questions we have to answer to create an account at a broker. Once we're done, we come to this window where it says that we can now deposit funds to our account. And once we have done that, our account will be verified and we will be able to start trading. So I'll just click on Continue. And then we will get to this page where we can deposit money to our account. If we click on Payment Method right here, we can see that we have many options, and the good thing about eToro is that we can also deposit with PayPal right here. So I will just select PayPal, then I will have to choose the currency I want to deposit money in, so I'll just take US dollar and type in the amount I want to invest. Then I will just have to click on Continue. Now we will be directed to PayPal, where we just have to log into our PayPal account and confirm the payment. As soon as we have deposited the money, our profile will be checked and verified, and then we can start with our first trade. Alright, now I will show you how to buy crypto. To show you how to do that, I will just switch over to the virtual account. So I'll click on here and switch over to virtual. Everything stays exactly the same, except for now we have this virtual balance, which we can use to check out the platform. The display of our capital on eToro is pretty organized. We can always see it displayed down here at the bottom. On the left side, we see how much cash we currently have available on our account. Right next to it, we can see how much we have currently invested. Then we can see our profit or loss. And then this is all added up, and here we can see what our total balance is. We are currently on our watch list, and here on the left side, we can move to different sections. Let's go to our portfolio, where we can see all the assets that we have bought. As you can see, I already made a few test trades. For example, I bought a little bit of Bitcoin right here. And for these two, I also used the feature copy trading, and I invested into a crypto portfolio from another trader. We can see how much we initially invested, how much profit we made so far, and how much it's worth at the moment. Alright, let's make a purchase now. To do that, we can just go back to our watch list where we can see many different coins we can buy. To invest into any coin you would like, you can either click on the coin right here or just go to the search bar and type it in. In this case, we want to buy Zcash, so I'm just going to go up to the search bar and type in Zcash and select it. Then we will get to this page, and then we have to click on Trade right here on the right side and type in the amount we want to buy. So let's just make $100, for example, and click on Open Trade down here. Then we can see our position has been opened. It has been included into our investment portfolio. And if we go back to our portfolio, we can see this position has been added and we've bought the Zcash, and that's already it. If you want to sell back the Zcash at some point, it's really easy to do that too. Just going to show you how to do it. Just have to click on Zcash right here. Then we can see our purchase listed up right here. And if you want to close the position and sell it back, you just have to click on this red X icon right here and then click on Close Trade. Then we can see our position has been closed and we've sold the Zcash back to dollars, and it's not in our portfolio anymore. That's it for this video. It's just that easy to buy crypto on eToro by using PayPal. Simply go to the video description below, click on the link, and you're ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.